So the question might be, now that you've decided to start a telehealth business, is how do you start a telehealth business? That's a very important question. The first question we need to consider is, who are you in relationship to the business? Are you a physician? Are you a nurse? Are you a entrepreneur? That's going to be really important to determine before we get started. If you're a physician, we got to make sure you're licensed in the state that you're going to be seeing patients. If you're a nurse practitioner, we've got to look at, do we have a full practice authority state or a semi full practice authority state or a restricted state? If you're an entrepreneur, we're coming through with the restricted state guidance because you're not a provider offering services. So that's number one. Number two, we've got to decide, are you going to have a cash-based business or are you going to be offering insurance to your patients? It's going to be very critical to determine because there are different rules and regulations related to how insurance providers see telemedicine. You physicians might think that it's super easy startup, but it's not necessarily the case because certain healthcare insurance companies cover telemedicine. Most do, some of them don't. And some of them cover for certain types of services. You've got to think about the devices that you're using. You've got to think about consents related to the devices that you're using. You've got to think about competency related to the patients that you're servicing. Oh, by the way, if you're looking for help in your healthcare business and you just need somebody to talk to, reach out to me at dorismeet.com and let's strategize to get you the results that you need. There's a myriad of rules related to telemedicine businesses. Now, we know this is an exploding field because the startup costs is related to having a physical location are less, and there is an opportunity for you to see so many patients, but there's still a lot of regulations. One of the regulations that you've got to think about is making sure you're establishing an adequate doctor-patient relationship. A lot of people don't think about that. There are a lot of different devices or a lot of different services that will suggest that you might not necessarily have to see the patient, or the way that you're seeing the patient might not matter, but it's actually going to be very critical to your success and remaining compliance that you're following your state laws and you're following federal laws related to that. So if you're interested in starting a telehealth business, we'd love to help you see success. There's so many different models that we've seen from so many different players in the market offering great and needed services to patients. But at the end of the day, this is a healthcare business that's fraught with a lot of regulations. And we've got to make sure that every step is covered for you to be successful. We're here to get you successful. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.